If you're searching for how to buy shares of Onfolio Holdings Inc., this video explains the practical steps. Onfolio Holdings Inc. trades on NASDAQ under the ticker ONFO and is a publicly listed company. This content is educational only and does not constitute financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we use eToro as an illustrative example. After signing up, you will be asked to verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and you will need to add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker ONFO to find the Onfolio listing, then select the matching NASDAQ result to open the instrument page. On the Onfolio Holdings page, review the short company profile and the price chart to confirm this is the correct ONFO NASDAQ listing before proceeding. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm. If the market is closed, your order will be queued until the market reopens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it completes the transaction. Once executed, the Onfolio position will appear in your portfolio. Check the description for the example broker link if you want to follow the same steps shown in this video.